You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this style of Barbie dolls, named after a fashion district in Tokyo, Japan. So this is a Japanese name. The Japanese pronunciation, if you're curious, is as Harajuku Barbies. So you could say Harajuku Barbies. If you cannot pronounce Japanese super well, you can say it as Harajuku. Harajuku. Yeah, it's easy once you know Harajuku. And now you know. Was this any useful? Can you say it in Japanese? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.